In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert a fraction into percentage, right? So that's a very important topic. It's a very simple. When you're given a fraction, what you do is you simply multiply it by 100 over 1, right? So just multiply by that, and if you see, you can see equals to 400, okay, over 5, right? And then which is equals to, you just divide that, and that's 80, like 80%. So that's 80%. 405 equals to 80%. So there's some steps you need to follow. You just multiply the whole fraction by 100 over 1, and then you just do the equation. So 4 by 100 is 400, and 5 by 1 is 5, and then you simply solve this. So 400 divided by 5 is 80 percentage. That's simple as that, right? Now another thing, if I tell you, if you want to find percentage of 5 over 8, so first step is just multiply it by 100 over 1, which is equals to this equals to 500 over 8, and it equals to 40%. Sorry, not 40%. Sorry, it equals to 62.5%. 62.5%, right? Now let me see another example. If I want to, I have another example here. For example, if I want to find out 14 over 25, I want to change it into percentage. I will simply multiply by 100 over 1, and this equals to 1400, okay, over 25, and you just do the equation yourself, and just grab your calculator and type in 1400 divided by 25, and I can get 56%. That's the answer. Okay, that's the answer. Now another thing, if you want to change a percentage into decimals or fraction, what you do is that, for example, you have 16%, okay, you want to change this into fraction. So what you do is you just divide, do the opposite, just divide by 100, okay, divide by 100. Or what you can do is simply multiply by 1 over 100, okay, so that will be 16 over 100, and it could be, you know, that's the answer you can get, okay? So if I have another one, for example 12.5%, I want to change it into fraction. What I'll do is I will say I will multiply this by 1 over 100, and simply 12.5 over 100. That's the fraction I'm getting. So it's very simple. So if I have, for example, if I have 24%, right, what I'll do is I want to change it into a fraction. I will multiply it by 1 over 100, right, and then equals to 24 over 100, and then I can further simplify this fraction if I want. If you want to simplify this, you can say find a number that is divisible by both nominator and denominator. So for example, 2 is so it's 12 over, so it can be divided by 2, so 50, and then again 6 over 25 is the answer. Okay, that's, I have just simplified it. If you want to simplify, that's up to you. And so you can do all that if you want, and please let me know if you have any questions for me as well. And